What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So it's time to do the battle of the cameras between old versus new. Now, this requested video of my LG fans asked, could I put the OnePlus 10 Pro versus the LG V60? Well, of course I can. The LG V60 has been a true device for me, the benchmark device that I put against a lot of my other devices to see which one is King Supreme. Now, in this video, I'm going to do daytime and nighttime, and I'm going to show you guys some video and still footage and let you be the judge for yourself. Now, right now, this is the front-facing camera on both of these devices. Now, I'm shooting this at 1080p, 30 frames per second. Unfortunately, the OnePlus 10 Pro does not shoot in 4K with the front camera. So here it is. This is what you get. So let's put these two titans to the test and see which one is King Supreme. So sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is, the LG V60 and the OnePlus 10 Pro. Now, a lot of y'all guys ask the question, why do I always put the LG V60 in these battles and competitions against current flagships? And my answer to that question is, if you want to be the best, you got to beat the LG V60. LG V60 is a phenomenal device, so it should be no problem for any current flagship to beat the LG V60, but time and time again, the LG V60 always seem to come out on top. All right, so I'm at the park here. Got a lot of people in this park, so I ain't gonna be able to zoom in on my usual stuff here, but I'm gonna zoom in on this flower here. We go about 5 times zoom here. Okay, let y'all guys see that 5 times zoom here. Let's go 5 times zoom here. Let y'all guys see this plant at 5 times zoom on both devices. And there it is, 5 times zoom. Again, the LG V60 is one of my favorite devices, but you be the judge for yourself for looking at this. All right, so let's go back. All right, and let's go see if we can go back. Wide angle, okay? And let's see if I can go wide angle here. Okay, so we wide angle, okay? All right, go wide angle. Let y'all guys take a look at that. And let's go back to regular. All right, so there it is, right? The LG V60 and the OnePlus 10 Pro.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is. This is the front-facing camera on the OnePlus 10 Pro and the LG V60. Now, I'm shooting this at 1080p, 30 frames per second, and the reason why is because, unfortunately, the OnePlus 10 Pro does not shoot in 4K in the front-facing camera. So we got to be even Steven here, and I'm shooting this at 1080p, 30 frames per second on both devices. You be the judge for yourself. We're looking at this here. All right. This is the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solution. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG V60 and the OnePlus 10 Pro in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.